everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Getting the message your Facebook login is blocked due to suspicious activity? Don't worry, here's how to fix it. First, you need to verify your identity. For that, open your browser and simply go to facebook.com/login/identify and follow the steps to confirm your identity. Use the email or phone number linked to your account. Second step, confirm security check. Facebook may ask for an ID or a verification code. Complete the process and wait for confirmation. It usually takes a few hours. Third step, change password and review devices. Once you regain access, change your password immediately. For that, open your Facebook, tap on this profile icon at the top right, scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. Tap on this Password and Security section. Scroll down and go to Password and Security. And tap on Change Password. Select your account. Enter your current password here, your new password here, and retype your new password for confirmation. If you cannot remember your password, simply tap Forgotten your password to retrieve it via email, and finally tap Change Password. Once you do that, it's finally time to enable two-factor authentication. This is for extra protection. This keeps your account safe from future suspicious logins. And that's it. Your Facebook login issue should now be fixed. Like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.